Hey, Angela, how you doing? All right, so went through your writing. I just want to make sure I'm not missing any questions here. And see, I disagree. You're saying that what you have here is very basic, and it is. It's a basic prototype, but you've done a fantastic job here. I mean, you don't really have to show your full design at this point. You're just showing enough to test, enough for uh, to show evidence that you've taken your paper prototypes, adjusted them based on the data you received and collected from user testing, and applied to the click-through prototype. So what you've done here is fantastic. I mean, you don't need to show the full design. At this point, when you have the click-through prototype, now you're ready to show it to stakeholders for A, for further testing, and B, for feasibility. Okay, so you show your click-through to the stakeholders and say, okay, this is the idea. Can we move forward with it? When I say stakeholders, I mean anything from collaborators to partners to even somebody who's going to invest in the app. So let's jump over to the app because there is enough here to show functionality, to show intent, and to show purpose. So of course we've got the sign up, and we're just going to click through this really quickly. This is a great setup, though. Good job. Account verified. Definitely create your PIN. We get to the main page, My Chart, appointments, records, and medications, and this is fantastic. So add appointments, cancel and reschedule appointments. Outstanding. And we go back to the home page, right? So we have My Chart. Then we can faction off from here. And this is where it gets really, really interesting. So, of course, the only thing we have on My Chart is your blood pressure. So the neat thing here is, of course, you can adjust and add elements, add blood pressure reading, and then the back arrow takes you right. See, this is the part where so the back arrow here takes you back to this page, the My Chart page, and then another back arrow takes you back to the home page, right? I'm wondering if it wouldn't be more feasible to have just a link that's visible on all pages to take you right back to the home page, because right now we have, where was I? We have here, now to get back to the home page from here, it takes 2 clicks, right? And it would be best to be able to get right back to the home page from any screen on the app with 1 click. It can be done with a hamburger menu, or it can be done with a link somewhere here that takes you back to the home page. You could have it in addition to the back page. You could have a logo that takes you right back to the home page. Do you see what I'm saying? And really, honestly, that is my only real comment. I think the rest is fantastic. Records, immunization. By the time we got over here to records, we can see that there's no activity here. However, based on this page and this page, there's enough here to take a look at this and say, okay, I know where this is going from here, right? And then the same thing with medications. This is great. Gives you the inventory, the refills, and the directions. So this is just great. All right. Then we have, of course, we have notifications, and then we have our messages. And this takes us back to this page, right? And that's I think is that the home page? Yes, it is. Yes, that's the homepage. So I mean, I definitely think you've done a great job. I mean, I think that the design, I think, could use a little bit of enhancement, but again, prototype, right? It's just, there's definitely enough here to show to stakeholders to say, okay, we're going to continue with this project, or we're going to end this project. So as far as I'm concerned, you kind of nailed it. I mean, I'm thinking you nailed it. And again, it's not about resembling a finished product at this point. Continuing along with the project would get there when you get into deeper testing, ethnography testing, further testing with the clickable prototype, to the point where you adjust the clickable prototype so it's just about an exact replica of the final finished app. But that's outside the scope of this class. So right now, I think you're just showing outstanding intent. So great job. All right, great. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you very much.